Hey there, my name is Dylan Pierce. I just wanted to share with some of my students what I've been up to lately. I've been doing some charcoal drawings, and so often I don't really care for all the texture that it makes with the paper, because the papers are so often textured, lots of texture, like this here, with you can see the texture that it makes on just a standard charcoal paper. Even when you blend it, it's very strong texture. So it works alright, but I don't really care for that, and I find myself actually trying to get rid of it and fight the texture, or go against it, and so I'm really happy with experimenting with this new paper. It's a Bristol vellum. No, it's not vellum, it's a Bristol Smooth paper. I saw Casey Baugh using it, and the way he uses it with powdered charcoal works so beautifully, because it gives it such a softness that this other standard paper doesn't allow you to really achieve. And so I just wanted to kind of show you how it works. And so this is what I was doing, what I just finished with that paper. It's a Canson 500 Series Bristol Smooth paper, and it's 8 ply, so it's a really nice thickness, and 100% cotton, and no wood pulp in it, so it's very archival. And he actually said he liked the 400 series better. So this is the 500 series, and I haven't tried the 400 series yet, but he said he liked it a little bit better, but it's not quite as archival though, so that's the only thing. But it was just a little better, and to him the way the charcoal was handled on it. And so this is the paper. It's so smooth, it's a little bit shiny. And so here's the powdered charcoal. It's different ways to apply it. You can use like a cotton swab, or even like a makeup brush works, and just put the charcoal in a lid or something and dip it in there but I really like this pouch that Casey Baugh uses, which you can buy from Edge Pro Gear, and it works really nice, because what it is the powdered charcoal is actually in the pouch, and you can just it gives it a nice softness. Maybe I like it a lot because I love the softness of watercolor, which I do most of the time, is what I use to paint with, and it kind of resembles that. So it works nice to apply a big area like this here, and you can smooth it out with like a makeup brush, or if you need to, or even like a Viva paper towel that's torn like this here, and it gives a nice soft edge. It might not be perfectly smooth though, because it's sort of a deckled edge. So this works really good to get it smooth, and the paper is sort of neat because it lifts so easy that it can be a little bit tricky to use if you're not used to it. but it's kind of neat because the way it lifts so easy, it creates some texture as you're using, like, you can use a brush with it to make texture or lift, and it gets like a bit of a brushstroke look, or you can lift with a blending stump, and it just gives a unique aesthetic quality to it. See how I think I need to clean my blending stump. But it can lift a little bit, and a kneaded eraser will really lift well. You almost have to be so light with your hand lifting with this because it lifts so easily. Yeah, and then you can use willow charcoal to go a little darker. We could try to go darker with this pouch here. And then maybe darker again with the willow, because that blending, it lifted some of it off. It lifts so easy sometimes you can almost breathe on it and it'll lift some off. Yeah, okay. Takes getting used to. But I'm really happy that I've tried it, because I think I'll definitely use it for drawing them more now on. And then we can use some compressed charcoal, the 6B, to go darker, or the charcoal pencil 6B works nice if you need a point to it. Okay, and maybe take that blending stump and soften that out a bit. Yeah, someone on it, I know, said they didn't like it because it's like drawing on plastic, so it's so smooth, but I think if you get used to it, there's a lot of potential for a really beautiful softness to it, and the way interesting texture. Okay, this is a little rough because I'm trying to draw this real quick, but Okay, yeah, but that kind of gets the idea. Well, hope that helps, and thank you for watching.